this is our apartment here in Zagreb. I'm gonna start, actually, you know what? Let's grab Sarah. We can MTV Cribs this. Give me just a second. Hey babe, you wanna come film me like MTV Cribs? Yeah. Nice. I knock on the door. Oh wait, yeah, you knock on the door. You're right, you're right. It's off to an awful start. Okay, take two. Yo, what's going on everybody? It's Camden, we're here in Zagreb, and this is the crib. I'm just kidding, okay, this is terrible. All right, but actually, I just wanna show you a couple things in here. Right when you walk in, so that's the door, you come into the bedroom. This is the bedroom right here. Nothing too fancy, pretty plain and simple, but it's got everything you need. So it's obviously got the bed. It's a comfy bed, absolutely no complaints with the bed. One thing that is very common here in Europe, I guess, it's one mattress. It is not like two twin mattresses. It is a full queen size bed, but then there are two like twin size comforters. So like you each have your own comforter. It's not a bad play. It's actually like nobody can steal the covers because you always have it. So that's nice. Otherwise in here, there's not a whole lot going on. You do have a wardrobe right here, which is this mirror looking thing. If there's anything that I wish I could change about this apartment, it would be the storage. This is the only storage right now for clothes. Luckily, we don't have too many things, but then you've actually got the bathrooms. Nothing too fancy. I'm sure you're getting a lot of weird echoes in here, so we're not gonna stay in here very long. The one thing that's really nice about this bathroom though, and was something that was a nice surprise for us, was this shower, the rain head up there, phenomenal. It actually has some of the like best water pressure, way better than our water pressure in Chicago. So that was a very nice surprise. Oh, and one other cool thing in here, check this out right here. See if you can read this. Kind of tricky, right? But when you look in the mirror, it all makes sense. Just like that, it's a reflection thing. I thought it was kind of neat. We have like our little like kitchenette area. The one thing that it does not have like an actual oven, but everything else that you would want or need, it does have. We do have this little stovetop right here. We have a microwave, toaster right here. We've obviously started getting going with the snacks. The Nutella, everything in this city is cheap, but the Nutella, ridiculously cheap. Oh, these guys right here. I don't know if you know what these are, but in America, we don't have Kinder Eggs, or we have Kinder Eggs, but there's not allowed to be like toys in the Kinder Eggs. Here, that is not a thing. Here, they can still put toys in kids' things, and Sarah loves the Kinder Eggs, so we have a nice little collection going on here. A couple bears, they're my personal favorites, but that collection will probably grow. There's a nice little like workstation, or you could use it as like the kitchen table. There is a mini fridge, it's down here. It actually is pretty mini. I don't know if we have anything in there right now. Just some wine, jam, and cheese. That's about all you need. But it's got everything that you need in here, and then you've got the couch. So there is a TV up there. We haven't even tried using it. There's just no reason to watch TV while we're here. And then the last part about this apartment that is really nice is it does have a little balcony. It's one of the reasons that we spent so much to get it. I'll talk about price in a second, but this door opens right up and you have this great little balcony. We're out here basically every single day. So I actually am doing a lot of my work right here. Really nice to just bring the laptop out. I don't think it's dark enough, but there is this plug down here. There's lights that are strung up all over this. I'll get a shot of that in the nighttime, but it's really nice. Cute little intimate setting for at nighttime, but that is the balcony, and that concludes our tour. That is the entire place, which brings us to the fun part of, is this Airbnb worth it? Was it deceptive? Do the pictures actually align with real life? And how much did we pay for this? So first and foremost, we paid $993, and that was for, I think, a day over a month. So full month here in Zagreb, and that's not a terrible price, especially given our location. Part of the reason that we were willing to spend this much on this place is the ease of access to downtown. We're like a 5-10 minute walk from the center of the square. Like we leave this apartment and things are popping. That's how we like it. We like to be in the center of the action. You could probably get something more affordable if you wanted to be a 15, 20, 25 minute walk out. Overall, this place has everything that we need. So far, we have absolutely nothing to complain about, and I'd say the pictures did this place pretty well. You know, obviously there has been some time between the pictures being taken and now. A couple like small things, like there was a plant in the picture that is not on that countertop. I think some of the bed sheets were a different color, but like nothing significant. Everything in here has been great, very clean. It's really worked out really well. So now that that's done, we can go back to the MTV style. So here's the door. You can go ahead and get out.